Today we have a 2015 Kia Optima, 26,000 miles, clean auto check. It comes with a balanced factory warranty. Let's give you a look at it. It does have a nice blacked out grille, chrome trim around it, and the lower fascia down there has also got the nice blacked out plastic. Headlights have a tinted look to them, along with your fog lights here on the bottom. If you look at the tires and wheels, you'll see it does have a 16-inch tire and wheel. The wheels are alloy 5-spoke, and you have Nexen tires on there that are around half tread. Looks like the rotors may have been recently resurfaced. They look pretty shiny. See, the mirrors have the integrated signals right in them. Notice the interior is two-toned. You have the gray carpeted, or gray cloth seating, I should say, with the black carpets. The color kind of blends through the doors and the dash, the gray and the tan. Back seat is a full bench. Seats here on the back, you can see also have the black and the light colors mixed together. Center of the seat does fold down for an armrest, or you have a couple cup holders there. Rear tires are pretty much about the same as the front, right around half tread. Around the back, and you'll see you do have the dual polished aluminum pipes. And your badging, of course, is Kia Optima GDI. If you look in the trunk, so you do get a nice big trunk, all kinds of storage space in there. Pop that up. See, you have your kit that comes with you there in case you get a flat or something along the road. You have a pump in there and some fix-a-flat. And you got a basket in there for some space to haul some goodies. And before I put the trunk down, if you look up here above where your license plate will go, you do have your backup cam. And you have your rear defrost, and your shark fin up there is your antenna for your satellite radio. And tires, wheels, like I said, pretty much uniform all the way around. Wheels all look nice, no curb rash or anything on them. See a little of the interior. You have your power locks, windows, and mirrors right here on your door, along with your trunk release and your gas release that are also on your driver's door. And you have your power seat. Traction control. Your dimmer switch for your dash lighting. On your steering wheel, on the left, you have your audio controls, you have your telephone controls, your voice activation feature. You also, on the right side, have your economy button, which if you run in economy mode, that will change your shift points and things a little bit and give you a little better fuel economy. And you have your cruise control settings there also. We'll light the dash up here a little bit. Show you the current mileage is 26,084. And there's your Bluetooth enabled radio with the Sirius. Hook your MP3 up through there. You can run your phone and everything right through that. Drop below that, you have your heating and air conditioning controls. Down in your cubbyhole, you have two 12-volt power sources. You have a USB and an auxiliary port. And your automatic transmission selector. A couple nice deep cup holders. And you got a pretty deep center console there for storage. Pretty good looking car with the brushed aluminum trim pieces to kind of dress it up a little bit. before I take you out under the hood, I'm going to show you the engine bay and stuff. There are a couple of marks on the driver's seat that I do want to show you when I get out. And I'm going to take you out under the hood. There are a couple little marks here on the driver's seat. Show them from far back. They don't look nearly as bad. I just want to give you a close-up of them there so you can see. There are a couple stains there on that seat. And you look under the hood, you will see it's nice and clean underneath there. This Kia has the GDI 2.4 liter engine, which is a 4-cylinder. Here it's a pretty nice, quiet little engine. Paired up with that 6-speed transmission, so it does get you pretty good fuel economy, and you can expect to get around 32 to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Down in the low 20s around the city or around town, around that type of thing, depending on your driving habits. After we blow the horn and wake you up, we're going to walk you around one more time and show you any blemishes or imperfections on the car. In case you're interested in coming out to take a look, we can kind of give you a little bit of a heads up what you're coming out to see. There's a little bit of scuffing on the top of the back bumper. Hasn't been buffed and polished out, but you can still see it just a little bit. That usually comes from people loading and unloading things out of the trunk. Just kind of scuffs it up a little bit. Not real hateful. At the side of the bumper, there is some scuffing on here that has been touched up. As you can see here. It's like right on the corner of the bumper. Other than those few little things that I showed you, it's actually a real good looking little car. Priced at around a little under $13,000, so it's a lot of car for a little money, really. Get you a lot of room and a lot of fuel economy out of the same model. So if you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe taking out a test drive, give us a call here, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.